Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can upload videos on your Facebook page. It's pretty simple. First you want to switch into your Facebook page. To do that you need to click on menu at the bottom right, and from inside your menu at the top click on where it says pages and click on the page which you want to upload videos in. So I want to upload it on my page HTG, so I will click on it and I will click on switch. Now I will switch into my Facebook page. Now from over here what I can do is click on the plus at the bottom. Now what I need to do is click on the plus at the bottom and click on where it says upload video. Now from over here I can choose whichever video I want from my gallery and click on done at the top right, and then it's going to appear like this. I can click on next and I can give it a title if I want to, and I can give it a description if I want to as well, and click on next and click on post. And if I do that, a video will be uploaded on my Facebook page. It's as simple as that. That is how we guys can upload a video on our Facebook page. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time, and my upload is about to be finished. So as you guys can see, after it finishes up, it'll be uploaded on my page.